Hello all you Dark Crystal fans, this is Bland Garrett, also known as Habitabad. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video for the Shout Studios Deluxe Limited Edition Collector Set for the Dark Crystal 4K and Blu-ray box set that was released. This limited edition collector set is only available through shoutfactory.com, as it does have some exclusive collectibles that come with it. Many of you may have already seen the Shout Studios unboxing video for the box set, but I'm going to go ahead and do a quick recap. Here is the box. Let me show you all the sides. This does have some nice Brian Froud artwork on all the sides. And the top does have the nice logo on the top. The box does have this info sheet stuck to the back, and it gives you all the information about the 4K and Blu-ray discs. And it is stuck with a nice little sticky gel as to not damage the cover, which is nice. The box does have this little tab. It's a magnetic box. This pops right open. It's got some more Brian Froud artwork on the inside cover. This pops right open. It does have the plastic that does hold the crystal shard that comes with it. And then this back pocket holds the discs and the cards and the booklet that come with the set. So we do have the booklet that comes with it. This booklet has some information about the making of the film and some artwork in it. Oh, excuse me. There's that. We do have the 4K and Blu-ray discs. This is the box. And there's the back. And here we've got the Dark Crystal logo sticker that comes with it. We've got some Brian Froud artwork cards that come with the set. Here is the crystal shard that comes with it. It's a nice sturdy glass. It's got some good weight to it, and all the edges are nice and smooth. We've got a nice crystal shard that comes with the set. And then the exclusive collectibles that come with the set that are only available from shoutfactory.com. We've got the Amsel art poster. This is an 18 by 24 inch poster. Comes in this nice poster tube. We've got the retro prism sticker. This is the Jen, Kira, and Fizzgig poster that was released back in the 80s. And it's nice and retro. We've got a collectible enamel pin set. And this pin set comes in this nice little display box. And it does have the advanced art poster. And the back of the box, let me show you that real quick. It does have some artwork of Skek-Ung the Gartha Master on the back. And we also have this exclusive coloring book. It's an 8-page booklet. And it does have this nice little set of crayons that Shout Factory included so that you can color it. And then we also have this Hexdex game. This game here, it appears to be some type of an edge matching game. I haven't played it yet. I'll try to do another video. Here's the instructions. And then it's got this set of cards. And then these little tokens. It appears to be the crystal shard. It looks like Urza, Urti, and Algra holding her eye, her hand there. So there we have it. This is the Deluxe Limited Edition Collector's Box Set. This is only available from shoutfactory.com.